The angle can be adjusted by pulling up the buckle on the bracket. Once adjusted, pull down the buckle to fix it. Remove the original snap head and nut from the suction cup bracket. As shown in the video, install the snap head and nut on a 17mm ball joint suction cup mount. Tighten the nut. Align the bracket with the holes on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Remove the protective film from the bottom of the stand. Place it on the vehicle's dashboard or windshield. After pressing to expel the air, pull down the buckle to fix it.